What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable comments on your YouTube channel, because I know a lot of people have problems with that. So yeah, let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head to Safari, then search up YouTube.com. And then once you're at youtube.com, click on your icon. Click on your icon right here. Then click on YouTube Studio. Then this will make you head to the YouTube Studio. So now just go to content. Wait, no, not content. My bad. Go to settings. Then go to channel. And go to advanced settings. And then look, I just did it today because I didn't know. I watched the tutorial also. So just if yours is on yes, then set it to no. Because no, set this channel is not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. At first I thought this was like gonna make my videos like restricted or something, but no, it doesn't do anything like that. It just makes it so like you can enable comments and stuff. And then just press, and then there's some more things here, like don't show potentially inappropriate words. So I mean, you can do that if you want. So I'm gonna do it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. So yeah, guys, it's been Technique, and we're out.